Are these 20 genius new tools in 2026 actually worth buying? In today's video, we're exploring cutting-edge innovations that are changing the way pros and DIYers work. From ultra-precise laser levels to advanced rotary toolkits and next-generation power equipment, these tools are designed to boost productivity, improve accuracy, and save serious time on every project. If you want to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently in 2026, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. The Airtakyee laser line tool is a versatile measuring and leveling device designed for woodworking, carpentry, and DIY projects. Its high-precision laser projects clear, visible lines for accurate alignment when installing cabinets, shelves, or frames. Adjustable mounting options allow hands-free use, improving workflow efficiency and accuracy. Built with durable materials, it can withstand workshop conditions, while easy calibration ensures professional-level results every time. Lightweight and portable, this tool simplifies layout, leveling, and alignment tasks for both beginners and seasoned professionals. By reducing mistakes and speeding up setup, the Airtakyee laser line tool becomes an essential addition to any toolbox, helping woodworkers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts achieve flawless results. The WETOLS corner clamp is a must-have for woodworking, cabinetry, and furniture assembly. Its adjustable aluminum jaws hold corners and edges securely, ensuring perfect right angles during gluing or fastening. Durable construction provides stability for repeated use, while ergonomic handles allow easy adjustments without hand fatigue. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists, this clamp simplifies complex assembly tasks and guarantees precise alignment every time. Its versatile design accommodates a wide range of materials and thicknesses, making it suitable for cabinetry, picture frames, and woodworking projects. By improving accuracy and reducing setup time, the WETOLS corner clamp enhances productivity, safety, and overall project quality, making it a critical addition to any workshop or DIY toolkit. The Dremel High-Performance Rotary Toolkit is a premium multi-purpose tool for precision cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing. Its high-speed brushless motor ensures consistent power for a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastics. The kit includes a range of attachments and accessories for professional-quality craftsmanship. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it reduces fatigue during extended use, allowing greater control and accuracy. Ideal for woodworking, DIY projects, jewelry making, and home repairs, the Dremel rotary tool streamlines complex tasks while maintaining high precision. By combining versatility, durability, and German engineering, it empowers professionals and DIYers to achieve exceptional results efficiently and consistently in every project. The Phalanx 180-watt rotary toolkit is a powerful, versatile tool designed for detailed woodworking, engraving, polishing, and cutting tasks. With variable speed control from 8,000 to 32,000 RPM, it allows precise adjustments for a variety of materials. The kit comes with multiple attachments, enhancing versatility for projects ranging from furniture refinement to DIY crafts. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and reduces fatigue during extended use, while the durable build provides long-term reliability. Professionals and hobbyists alike can achieve consistent, accurate results efficiently and consistently in every project. The Fanttik F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a compact, high-performance tool ideal for detailed woodworking, engraving, polishing, and model making. Its cordless design provides freedom of movement, while a high-speed motor ensures smooth, precise operation across various materials. Equipped with multiple accessories, it can cut, carve, sand, and polish with professional results. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces hand fatigue, making it perfect for extended DIY or professional sessions. Built from durable materials, this mini rotary tool offers reliability and long-lasting performance. For hobbyists, craftsmen, and woodworkers, the Fanttik F2 boosts productivity, enhances precision, and simplifies intricate tasks in small-scale woodworking and crafting projects. The Saker Contour Gauge tool is a must-have for precise replication of shapes, curves, and profiles in woodworking and construction projects. Its adjustable, durable pins can form to complex surfaces, allowing you to transfer exact outlines to wood, metal, or laminate for cutting and shaping. The easy-to-read measurements and ergonomic design ensure accurate results with minimal effort. Ideal for DIYers, carpenters, and professional craftsmen, it reduces trial and error and saves significant time on layout work. Compatible with various materials and thicknesses, the Saker Contour Gauge simplifies repetitive tasks and ensures perfect alignment in flooring, cabinetry, furniture making, and moldings. This versatile tool enhances efficiency and accuracy in every project. The LEATHERMAN Wave Plus is a premium multi-tool built for versatility, durability, and professional performance. Crafted from stainless steel, it features pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, knives, scissors, and more, all accessible in a compact, ergonomic design. Ideal for woodworking, repairs, camping, and daily tasks, it eliminates the need for multiple tools while maintaining high precision and reliability. The Wave Plus is easy to carry, highly durable, and designed to handle heavy-duty use without compromising comfort or control. Professionals and DIYers alike appreciate its portability, multifunctionality, and high-quality construction. With the LEATHERMAN Wave Plus, you have a single tool capable of completing a wide range of tasks efficiently, saving time, space, and effort. The Cartman 39-piece tool set is a complete, organized toolkit for household, workshop, and DIY projects. It includes screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, and more in a sturdy, portable toolbox for easy storage and transport. Each tool is crafted for durability, precision, and long-lasting performance. Ideal for assembly, repairs, and maintenance, the set provides everything needed to tackle everyday tasks efficiently. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, while the clearly organized toolbox keeps tools accessible and prevents misplacement. Perfect for beginners and professionals, the Cartman 39-piece tool set boosts productivity, simplifies projects, and offers reliable performance for a wide range of applications around the home, workshop, or construction site. The revolving punch plier kit is designed for precision leather, metal, and woodworking tasks. Its rotating head allows multiple punch sizes in one tool, saving time and reducing the need for multiple devices. Ergonomic handles provide comfort and control, while sturdy construction ensures durability during repetitive use. Perfect for leatherworking, craft projects, and light metal fabrication, it delivers clean, consistent holes without material damage. Professionals and hobbyists benefit from its efficiency, versatility, and portability. The compact design allows easy storage and transport. Whether used for belts, upholstery, or cabinet projects, the revolving punch plier kit is a versatile tool that streamlines workflow and guarantees professional quality results. The Hupar Laser Level is a high-precision tool for leveling, alignment, and layout projects in woodworking, construction, and DIY tasks. Its bright green laser lines are easy to see even in bright environments, ensuring accurate positioning of cabinets, tiles, and frames. The tool features multiple mounting options and self-leveling functionality for hands-free operation. Durable construction withstands job site conditions, while compact design allows portability. Perfect for carpenters, woodworkers, and DIYers, it reduces setup time, eliminates guesswork, and ensures precise alignment for professional results. Hupar Laser Level is an indispensable tool that increases productivity, accuracy, and efficiency in every project. The Gartol miter shears are precision cutting tools designed for fast, accurate miters in woodworking, framing, and trim projects. Their sharp, hardened steel blades provide clean cuts, while adjustable angles allow precise bevel and compound cuts. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during repeated use, and the durable build ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for DIYers, carpenters, and furniture makers, these shears simplify complex cutting tasks and ensure professional results with minimal effort. Gartol miter shears enhance efficiency, accuracy, and productivity in trim, molding, and frame installation projects, making them an essential addition to any workshop or job site toolkit. The Von Forn Paint Sprayer is a versatile, high-performance tool for achieving smooth, professional finishes on furniture, walls, and wood projects. Adjustable spray patterns and flow control allow precise application on small and large surfaces, reducing overspray and paint waste. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the powerful motor maintains consistent output. Ideal for DIYers and professionals, it simplifies painting tasks, improves workflow, and delivers salon-quality finishes without expensive labor. Portable and easy to clean, the Von Forn Paint Sprayer saves time, increases efficiency, and ensures consistent results across projects of all sizes. The Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary tool is compact, versatile, and ideal for detailed woodworking, engraving, polishing, and crafting tasks. Its cordless design allows freedom of movement, while the high-speed motor ensures precise operation on wood, plastic, and metal surfaces. Equipped with multiple attachments, it can cut, sand, polish, and carve efficiently. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces hand fatigue, making it perfect for extended DIY or professional use. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability. Hobbyists, craftsmen, and woodworkers benefit from its versatility, precision, and efficiency, making the Hardell Mini Rotary tool a vital addition to any workshop or project kit. The Feek contour gauge with lock is designed for precise measurement and replication of complex shapes in woodworking and construction. Its adjustable pins capture curves, angles, and profiles accurately, while the locking mechanism ensures the shape remains fixed during transfer. Ergonomic design allows easy handling, and high-quality materials provide durability. Professionals and DIYers can quickly replicate templates and achieve perfect alignment. This gauge simplifies repetitive tasks, improves workflow efficiency, and ensures precision, making it an essential tool for any craftsman, woodworker, or workshop enthusiast. The Masca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Kit is a professional-grade tool for creating precise pocket holes in woodworking projects. Its adjustable guides accommodate various board thicknesses, while durable construction ensures stability during drilling. Ergonomic design makes setup simple, while included clamps hold workpieces securely. Ideal for cabinet making, furniture assembly, and DIY projects, it reduces alignment errors and increases productivity. Compatible with most standard drill bits, it streamlines repetitive joinery tasks. Professionals and hobbyists alike benefit from the Masca Twin Jig for creating strong, accurate joints efficiently, saving time and achieving professional quality results in every woodworking project. The Gartol handsaw is a durable, precision cutting tool for woodworking, carpentry, and furniture projects. Its sharp, hardened steel blade provides clean, accurate cuts through wood, MDF, and composite materials. Ergonomic handles reduce fatigue and provide maximum control during extended cutting sessions. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, it ensures fast, efficient, and precise results in trimming, shaping, or custom joinery tasks. Lightweight yet robust, the saw is portable and easy to store. By improving cutting efficiency and accuracy, the Gardel handsaw becomes an essential tool for workshops, home projects, and professional woodworking applications. The Fosemta Circuit Breaker Finder is a professional electrical tool designed to locate breakers accurately and efficiently. Its high-precision sensors detect electrical circuits without turning off power, saving time and reducing errors during troubleshooting. The compact, ergonomic design allows easy handling in tight spaces. Ideal for electricians, contractors, and DIYers, it improves safety and workflow by providing clear identification of live circuits. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while intuitive interface allows quick, accurate results. The Fosemta Circuit Breaker Finder simplifies electrical diagnostics, enhances productivity, and ensures safety in homes, workshops, and commercial applications. The Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool is an all-in-one solution for marking, measuring, and transferring lines in woodworking, construction, and metalworking projects. Its adjustable components allow accurate replication of edges, angles, and templates. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use. Ideal for DIYers, carpenters, and professionals, it reduces mistakes, saves time, and enhances precision. Compatible with a variety of surfaces and materials, the Saker scribing tool improves workflow efficiency and ensures consistent, accurate results in furniture, cabinetry, flooring, and trim projects, making it an indispensable addition to any workshop toolkit. The Bielmeier electric staple gun is a high-performance tool for upholstery, woodworking, and carpentry projects. Its powerful motor drives staples with precision, reducing hand fatigue and increasing efficiency. Adjustable depth and ergonomic grip provide control and comfort for repeated use. Perfect for furniture assembly, cabinet work, and home repairs, it delivers consistent results across wood, fabric, and composite materials. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while compact design allows easy handling and storage. Professionals and DIYers alike benefit from faster, cleaner stapling, improved accuracy, and increased productivity, making the Bielmeier electric staple gun a must-have for every workshop or project kit. The enthusiast cordless caulking gun is a powerful, battery-operated tool designed for precision sealant and adhesive application. Its auto-retract and anti-drip mechanism ensures clean, smooth lines without waste. Ergonomic handles and adjustable speed control provide comfort and precision during extended use. Ideal for professional contractors, DIYers, and home improvement projects, it simplifies caulking tasks, improves workflow, and guarantees consistent results on windows, doors, countertops, and trim. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability, and cordless operation allows easy mobility. The enthusiast cordless caulking gun enhances efficiency, reduces setup time, and delivers professional quality finishes, making it an essential tool for any workshop or job site. That wraps up our look at 20 genius new tools coming in 2026 worth buying. Whether you're a pro on the job site or a serious DIYer in your workshop, these innovations are built to help you work faster, smarter, and with greater precision. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tool reviews, comparisons, and must-have gear for 2026. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.